Hello my friends, welcome back in my channel, and let's talk today about something what is very popular on any stacks online. Let's talk about flat lie. Flat lie, it's very simple setting you can do anytime in winter or summer, inside or outside. It's really very simple, but definitely have some selling potential. You don't need too much stuff for that, or you can use just couple things what is like working together, or you can make some more complicated. It's up to you. For lighting you can use just a Windows light like I will do right now without any other lighting. I just use the Windows, some reflection panel, and this is everything what you need for start. Just watch, I will try show you everything what is possible. Let me start with something what is very simple, and I will show it to you exactly what I am talking about. For this one I will use some background paper and couple small things as you can see, and I will try just put it on the paper. You have to be careful with brands because it's better if it's not visible, and you can starting work on your setup. Make sure you have everything clean because this can save your time at post-processing, and try set up everything with some space what somebody can use in future for like background on web page or in newspaper. Important is you're supposed to be directly above the desktop because this gives you good angle, and you really can make everything pretty sharp. I will show you my camera setup. It was really very simple. It was directly above, how I said before, above the desktop, and I am also using from other side, from other Windows sides, this white reflection simple panel. You can always change your composition, and you can do like just a couple different setting because this give you more choice when you will be done. Sometime I try change the background and try see how it's working with different background, because sometimes it's worth it, sometimes no, because you never know what is somebody looking for. And after I change the background I shoot again. You can apply just with colorful paper and make different composition, just simple colorful background. You can make different abstract background from the colors, or also you can put something on the top, will be maybe more interesting. It's definitely just up to you. I am using the different scissor with different colors, and this can be great for some office background. It was really million ways how you can change the back from top view and make interesting for stack buyers. You can also create many like different holiday stamp for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, for Valentine's Day. It's up to you. You are the magician, and the magic it's on you. You are the one person who can do it, who can change the vision, who can make the project looks really interesting. It's really just about your imagination and about your feeling which way you want to go. Also you can use different material, doesn't have to be just paper, can be textile, marble, really metal, anything. I can use really wood is great for me. I use a lot the wooden background. It really depends how mood you want made with the project. You can try anything what you will find at home, and you will be never out from the idea. You can trust me, it's million and million different project. You can do it just at home with this simple setup with camera, window lights, and just some white paper for reflection. You know, because if you have light, you can use also light. It depends. It's your personal choice. At this moment I'm using 50mm lens from the Canon on my Canon camera, and this is really, I can say it's working for me. You can use even longer lens or macro lens. You can really cover many events, many holidays just from home, and you don't even have to move out from your house or your apartment. And just what you need is just think about the ideas. But trust me, when you start once, it's coming to everybody million other ideas. And what is nice, everybody are coming with different ideas, and this means everybody have really potential to sell their own images. Just don't forget watch the trademarks or brand name on your stuff you are using, because this can save you work in after in post-processing. It's big time saver if you do it before. And also remember, you have to go with Aperture. Aperture probably, like I am using 10, 12 up to 16. It's really depends, but depends what you shooting, because if it's higher stuff you have to go with higher aperture, but usually like 11 or 10 it's working for me. Thank you for watching, and see you at next episode very soon.